Hey UCR Highlanders, my name is Berkeley Bruitz and I'll be your mixologist today. We're going to be making the Honey and Me Bee's Knees. So first, we're going to need to grab our tools and ingredients. I'm going to be using a Boston shaker. I'm also going to be using a jigger, and this is going to be measuring the ounces of product that we're going to use into our drink. And then I'll be using a strainer to strain my cocktail into my glass. The lid of the mason jar works perfectly as well. And then also a peeler, because I'm going to be peeling a lemon for my garnish today. And then I also have a Nick and Nora coupe glass, because this is going to be a neat cocktail, which means there's going to be no ice in the finished cocktail. So we're going to use a glass with just a little bit of volume. For our ingredients today, I'm going to be using Hendrick's gin, which is actually a Scottish gin. And then honey syrup, which is equal parts honey and water. And fresh lemon juice. I love to use fresh lemon juice, but if you have preserved, that's fine as well. And then for our garnish, a fresh lemon. All right, so I'm gonna take the short side of my Boston shaker or your mason jar, and we're gonna fill that up with ice. And then I'm gonna be using 2 ounces of my Hendrick's gin. There we are. And we're gonna do a ½ ounce of our honey syrup and 3/4 ounces of fresh lemon juice. Super simple, but super great. So now I'm gonna shake my cocktail for about 15 to 20 seconds. And because this is a shaken cocktail, it's gonna be aerating our ingredients as well as diluting them and making our drink cold. All right, so now I know a lot of people have trouble getting your Boston shaker apart because there's a lot of vacuum seal in there right now from all that shaking and that air that you've just trapped in there. So you can find the straight part of your Boston shaker. I would say go about 2 inches in, use the heel of your hand, give it a nice smack, and it should come right out for you. So now I'm gonna strain this right into my cocktail glass. And remember, using the lid of your mason jar works perfectly. Gorgeous. And then I'm gonna use my peeler to peel just a little bit of our lemon here. There we are. Give it a nice little twirl. And in that garnish goes. There you have it. You've created your awesome Honey and Me Bee's Knees. Cheers to UCR.